Alright, tech explorers, let's decode one of the coolest inventions in artificial intelligence, the CNN, or Convolutional Neural Network. If you've ever wondered how your phone recognizes your face, or how Google Photos magically sorts all your pictures, CNNs are the brains behind the magic. First, picture this. CNNs are inspired by the way our own brains work, specifically the visual cortex. Just like how neurons in your eyes respond to tiny pieces of what you see, maybe an edge, a color, a shape, CNNs have these receptive fields that focus on small slices of data, like a tiny patch of an image. Now here's where it gets awesome. CNNs are masters at feature extraction. The early layers are like detectives spotting simple clues, straight lines, edges, maybe a bit of color. As you go deeper in the network, these clues get combined into more complex patterns. Think shapes, objects, faces. It's like stacking Lego bricks to build something epic. The real magic, that's in the convolutional layers. Imagine a filter, kind of like a tiny window, sliding over your image. At every spot, it does a little math trick called a dot product, basically checking, hey, is there an edge here or a corner? This creates a feature map, highlighting exactly where those features pop up. And here's why CNNs are so efficient: parameter sharing. The same filter scans the whole image, so the network doesn't have to learn a zillion different things. It's like using the same pair of glasses, no matter where you look. This makes CNNs fast and smart at spotting things, even if they move around a bit. After convolution, we need to shrink things down, and that's where pooling layers come in. Think of max pooling as zooming out and only keeping the most important detail from every region. It cuts down on complexity, keeps the model from obsessing over tiny details, and speeds everything up. Activation functions like RealU add a twist. They introduce non-linearity, letting the network learn complicated stuff, not just straight lines. Once features are all stacked up, fully connected layers step in, connecting every neuron, making sense of all the patterns, and usually helping with classification. The grand finale? The output layer, making the final prediction. That's a cat, that's a tumor, that's a road sign. So, where do you see CNNs in action? Everywhere. Image and video recognition, facial ID, self-driving cars, medical imaging, even analyzing text and audio. They help recommend your next favorite show, detect fraud, and so much more. In short, CNNs are the secret sauce powering modern AI, especially anything to do with visuals. If you are passionate about tech, this is one concept you definitely want to master. Like, share, and subscribe to Soft Tech Explorer for more tech deep dives. Catch you in the next one.